Manipur has become the first state in the entire world to produce beer from soybean seeds, locally known as Hawai jar. Scientist R.K. Kishore has claimed that regular intake of soybeans improves nervous system in the body. The revelation was made during an exclusive interview of ELITETV with the managing director of Kwakley and Khongun Melay Private Limited of Sagolban, Bijoy Govinda. Speaking to ELITETV, R.K. Kishore expressed that he began the research during the COVID-19 pandemic and has been successful in producing beer from soybean, which is locally famous as Hawai jar. Further adding that soybeans is popular not in the state of Manipur but in the northeastern states and South Asian countries as well.
Hawai jar si akoi gi yam nungai ba adi traditionally seasonal pa haitare akoi gi kaino si matong kuire adi yellow ngi de gi dum leira abani akoi gi Manipur de season nei Nagaland adi Arunachal Pradesh Meghalaya Sikkim da ko adi season nei adagi som da manglom de yenga na akoi gi Burma Thailand som da chatlaga na Japan bawba ado Japan da ju masi yamna popular oi ba moi gi diet amani adi natto oina kowi natto ji yam popular oi akoi 5-star hotel da babu masi natto ji season nei aduga natto hari basi makoi research to basi makoi na mu akoi dagi yam hel akoi na traditionally season na bagi mawong da leiba natto ji dagi akoi gi natto kinase na enzyme ama enzyme sina kari tawge haib matam da akoi gi heart ki aduga akoi gi blood ki akoi gi arteries vein da punjalakpa adi masi gi problem na kari orake kanda koi gi stroke lakpa dagi BP wang pa kholok pa mayam se ada masi research to basi masi akoi gi already proven oire adi blood thinner gum bacha draga ju masi gi nukti gi diet ta Hawai jar je nato je char gati akoi gi e gi mari circulatory system je heart phaba circulatory system je phaba aduna BP stroke kum basi ngak thok pangam ba aduna akoi ju sida lai ri basi mass ta phang basi adi miyam da Hawai jar ji phangan masi limited oiba adi Hawai jar gi karbar ji akoi gi khara standard low oina adi longnei ko mayam na tawri je adi akoi gi nupi sing khara na sum pangtau de tawbagi adu ma gi manung gi property se yenga di yamna wangba industry achaw ma tawba yabagi pot si oina masi lai aduna haujikti akoi capsule gi type ta tablet gi type ta nato kinase pharmacy da phang e haba adi akoi gi heart na ba mi sing jina masi gi kaino si consumption ji tawna bagi aduna masi gi industry si da Hawai jar si da gi enzyme phawba yauna ko akoi gi kari haitare vaccine gi vaccine ka sema iba adi corona manung da tawri ba asigumba achauba leidana yamna moi paisa tali yamna chauba company sing oire e pharmaceutical companies aduna masi gi Hawai jar gi adi industry ji jo achauba adi port ama industry ama oirakpa yabagi phibam ji akoina sum ujarakpa go